Hi, I'm Josh Allen from PSC Motorsports, and today we're going to be talking about our power steering fluid. So we're going to be talking about power steering fluid level and what inside of the reservoir should look like. So our first thing, right? So we're going to open our cap up and look at our power steering fluid. So typically we want the power steering fluid about an inch or half inch above the filter, right? That's about an inch or so. And we're going to start up the Jeep. And something you don't want to see when you start up the Jeep is if you see the fluid moving, you got air in your system or something. Because your power steering fluid should look like it's never moving. And I'll show you. So, as you see right here, doesn't look like the power steering fluid is moving at all. That is what you want. If you see power steering fluid moving, it's because you got air in the system, trapped in the system somewhere, right? Where you need to keep bleeding it, or you just don't have enough fluid in it, right? Because look, even raising the idle, they don't move. That's what a proper power steering system looks like. So, your fluid level in your reservoir will go up or down depending on the travel of your cylinder, right? So, if the rod's all the way in, the fluid level will be at its highest peak, right? And then if your cylinder is all the way out, you have all this volume in here. So your reservoir will be at its lowest. So as long as your fluid level doesn't look like it's circulating, your fluid's perfect. If your fluid level is going up and down with your turns, if your cylinder assist, you're perfect. So this is our new True Blue power steering fluid, right? It is our power steering fluid. It is a lighter viscosity power steering fluid to be more acceptable for the electric power steering applications, right? And also, if you put it in your regular old hydraulic, it'll actually lighten the steering input. So it makes it easier to steer it. Thank you for watching. I hope this answers some power steering questions. Like, subscribe, and I hope to see you on the trail.